This is a brand new 2015 BMW 335. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a technology package, the premium package, the driver assistance package, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, BMW apps, comfort access, a power moonroof, heated seats, the M Sport package, a sport suspension, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: a smartphone adapter, Dakota leather upholstery, cruise control, BMW individual composition, front side impact airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a rear window defroster, and satellite radio. With an EPA estimated rating of 32 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.